Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for stopping by and checking out my new video. As you guys can see, I have this look. As it's fall, it's actually fall season. Yay! Oh my god, eggnog, fall decoration. I guess you can see right here. So we created this look because of fall. So if you want to see how I ended up doing this look, please keep watching. Can you guys like see my decor in the back? Can you guys see it? Like, oh my god, I love it. Like, you guys have no idea. Like, look at that. Look at that. Look. My look. So anyways, so yay, it's fall. Finally fall. I love fall. I fucking hate summer. Like, I seriously, I cannot stand summer. Like, I hate summer. I hate hot weather. I just hate it. So I am happy that it's fall and then winter is coming already. So I cannot wait. I mean, fall is kind of like, hot and cold, but it's better than summer. I hate summer. So yes, because I sweat. But anyway, so if it's just the first time you ever see me, ever see my face, ever first time you're coming to my channel, to my fun loving channel, don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell to get more updates when and where I post a new video. You can also follow me on social media. I'm always on Instagram, just Instagram, Twitter's there, and TikTok. I'm very shy. I mean, if I post on TikTok, probably just post my videos and that's it. So yeah. Anyways, yeah. Alright, so let's go into this video. As you guys can see, I did this look. I've been trying to come out of my comfort zone, just do some looks that I've been seeing on Instagram, and I mean, like, they're inspired. I've been seeing these looks lately, and I was like, okay, I'm gonna try, like, give it like a little try. So I tried to do some leaves on my look, but they fucked up. I'm very bad at drawing, as you guys can see right here. Very bad. So yeah, I mean, like, whatever, it's a look. Oh, here you go, check out the video. Okay, so I know a lot of you girls do the eyes first, then the foundation and the powder. So I'm just gonna do that because I noticed that it's a mess, and I'm like, so what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna prep my eyes and then start off from there. So I'm gonna use my Angel Cosmetics Angel Eyes eye primer that I received on my boxycharm, and I'm gonna use this one. It feels really weird doing my eyes first, and like, I've never done it, and I feel like I'm out of my comfort zone, but they keep telling me do your eyes first and then do your makeup. So I was like, okay, fine. Okay, so now the eye primer is actually blended. Now I'm gonna get my Fabfitfun fall box, and then we're gonna use the palette that I have in here. So we're gonna use the Beauty Bakery Proof in the Pudding palette that I received on my Fabfitfun fall box. And now we're gonna use this palette right here, this cute palette. I have never tried Beauty Bakery, and I was like so eager to try it because when I saw it, I was like, oh girl, I gotta get this palette. So we're gonna use this palette for the base. I was expecting to smell like a pudding, but it doesn't smell like a pudding. It's not like just a plain old palette, and I was guessing it will smell like it, but it's not. There's no smell. There's no sweet smell coming from here, and I would figure they would, but I guess not. So we're gonna use rice pudding right here. We're gonna apply it, and then it doesn't come with a mirror. There's no mirror right here at all. Color is beautiful, though. Like, it's really nice, like really made. Alright, that looks so nice. Okay, so what we're gonna do right now, I'm gonna use these two products that I got recently. It's the Cookie Cosmetic Crystal Fusions metallic liners that I'm gonna be using for the lining that I wanna do. I'm very, like, afraid that I'm gonna fuck up like big time, but you gotta learn to try, so this is what we're gonna be using. I'm gonna do like a fall color that I've been wanting to do for such a long time, and I'm gonna do it. Perfect fall colors. Look at that, beautiful colors. So I'm gonna create a line going like up. Hopefully I don't fuck up. I know I'm gonna fuck up. I'm so afraid I'm gonna fuck up. Okay, so I did fuck up a little bit, but I'm gonna blend it in. The line a little bit bigger. I'm gonna use another brush. That way they don't... I did pretty okay. Oh my god, this looks so perfect. It looks perfect. So I'm gonna connect them together. I look at my dog is looking at me crazy like, what the hell are you doing, babe? I have an idea. Okay, so I'm gonna do the other eye off camera, and then I'm probably gonna do something different. So I'm just gonna turn it off because it's gonna run forever. So see you guys later. I don't know if there's a theory saying that you suck at doing... If you're left-handed, you're really good at this side of your face. But if you're like right-handed, you're good at this side. But if you're left-handed, you're fucked on this side. And it's true. Look at this. It's so fucked up. So this is better, this is not. So it's okay. So I did some... I wanted, like... I'm not really good at drawing. But I wanted to create like a little leaves. Like on the bottom. And they look so freaking horrible, but we're gonna, work on it already. Little leaves. In my opinion, I need to get more brushes like this, because they're gonna come in really handy in the future. I'm just gonna leave it like that, fuck it. Okay, well, let's finish up the look. I'm gonna start putting on the primer. And we're gonna be using the Touch and Soul primer. Foundation, we have the NYX Total Control Foundation. I actually got the right color this time, and we're gonna put it on. So we're getting really close to the holidays, and I work in retail, so I have no idea what is gonna happen, but we're almost in the end of September, already putting up the Christmas tree. Already putting up the Christmas tree. I think it's like October doesn't even exist. That's how fast they're putting up the Christmas tree. Girl, you're not being full coverage right now. What the hell? I still see red. Okay, now it's being full coverage. There you go. Okay. Next, I'm not gonna do powder because that doesn't make sense. I'm not like going out. It's like my day off, so I'm like not gonna put powder. I'm actually gonna put this one. So I got this in my Fabfitfun fall box, so I'm like eager to try because it looks like a really cute carton of milk. It's a highlighting, and I have so many illuminating milk for face and body. Aww. Look how... Okay, let's take a moment to appreciate the packaging. Look how cute that is. Look at that. That's very cute. Oh my god. Look at the smiley face. It's so cute. Look at that. So this brand is called the Beauty Crap. So let's see how it... Bronzer, and damn it, I'm like mind farting like big time. I actually mix my brushes. Oh my god. Usually I always use this one for highlighting and bronzer, so I mixed them and I fucked up. Okay, so let's see. Just a little bit. Wow, this is really good. Wow, look at that glow. I forgot to mention, but for the face I actually used the Tartarus Pro from Tarte. Look how nice this palette is. I know you guys seen it, but just in case you just forget, that's how cute this palette is. Very dusty. Oh, dusty. Alright, let's work on the brows. And for brows, you guys know, my favorite product in this whole world would be the Winky Lux Unibrow. Oh my god, you guys, this is amazing. You guys, if you guys haven't used this, you guys should. For mascara, we're actually gonna be using the Image Ultra Black Mascara. I fucked up. For the lips, we're gonna be using the Urban Decay Made Red. Well guys, here's the finishing look. I like it, but I wish I was able to like do more research on this look, like look at more pictures and see like, wow, I should try that, but I'm like, it looks fucked. I mean, what do you guys think? If you like this, if you like this look, leave some fall emojis in the comment section letting me know that you actually like this look right here. Should I do more practice? Do it no? Do it yes? If you like this look, do it yes. If you don't like it, do it no. If you also do love it, leave some fall emojis so I know that you saw the actual whole video of how I fucked up so many times. Well guys, thank you guys so much for watching my video. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up, subscribe them, follow me on social media. You guys can follow me over here. You guys know where you can get me, where you guys can find, like, remember, comment below what you think about this look. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.